Today we're going to make shoyu chicken, which is a Hawaiian favorite and you'll find it at any barbecue luau in Hawaii. To make the marinade, grab a 1 gallon Ziploc bag and toss in the Aloha Shoyu. Now don't use regular soy sauce because it won't taste the same. Add an equal amount of water, brown sugar, black pepper, ginger, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and apple cider vinegar. Then add 4 or 5 pounds of chicken thighs, drums, or breast meat. In this recipe, I prefer thighs and drums. Seal up the Ziploc bag and mix it up. You're going to put it in the fridge for 8 hours or as long as overnight. Really, the longer you go on this, the better it'll taste. Set up your grill for indirect grilling and add 2 chunks of kiawe wood, which is pretty hard to find outside of Hawaii, so I'm going to use pecan instead. Preheat the grill to 275 degrees and put the chicken on it opposite the coals. After about 30 minutes, rotate the chicken around to ensure that it cooks evenly. Then close the lid for another 30 minutes. Once the chicken has reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, pull the chicken off and add more coals to get the grill nice and hot, because we're going to reverse sear this chicken to crisp up that skin. Then put the chicken directly over the coals to get that crispy skin. Be sure to flip it and rotate it frequently to prevent burning all that hard work. Once the skin is crisp and dark brown and the color you like, the chicken is done and it's ready to take off. So here's the final product. It's a feast fit for a Hawaiian king. Now, my grilled pineapple recipe is not Hawaiian, but people will think it is, and it goes great with this chicken. If you want to see more videos about grilling, smoking, and cooking with fire, go ahead and hit subscribe. There are more videos to come.